start adding up the hours of the commute, you go, holy crap, over a month I'm losing, 4 days of time with my family. Just on the commute.
About an hour there, an hour back.
Right.
Half there. Rush home. Friday.
Yeah.
No, he did what? In the city, driving every day. It's nuts. You need to pay for it. No, I ain't doing it. I'll drive. I gotta run. Been a place I thought you later. You need any help?
Hey,
Give me a holler.
If you hear anything, let me know.
We share stuff every day.
Yeah, I'm always interested.
Hey, big boy, you ready to tell me? You coming to tell me to get going? Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, let's go, buddy. Noah, Lincoln.
A little harder next time. Attaboy, Bray. I know. Heads up, guys. Heads up. Love it. Give somebody to kick to, bud. No breakout line or anything. Guys, give somebody to kick to.
We didn't tie our shoes before, apparently. No, he's going with his
Get in front of it, guys. Get in front of it. Get in front of it. Get in front of it, guys. Get closer. Get closer. Good job. Good boy, Bray. Go, Brandon. Good job. Nice. Good job, Brandon. Good job. Go, Bray. Go, Bray. Release it. Release it. Turn it. Get up there, Brandon. Talk, guys. Talk.
You got one out here. Watch it. Where's Anthony? Good, Anthony. Yes. Go, Link. Go, Bryce. That's right. Have that pass. Have that pass. You want help there? Lucky, stay on it. Stay on it, Lucky. Good
job, Luke.
Good, Anthony. Stay with him, Anthony. Go.
Good job. I thought it went out.
Yes, Zach. Good, Justin. Clear it, guys. Good, Justin.
Nice.
That's all right, Diego. That's all right, buddy. Force back. Defensive. Anthony, this is your night. Here. Lucky, stay on it. Everyone work
job, bud. Good job. Now follow it, guys. Now follow it. Come on, Brandon.
Yes, Bryce. Stay with it, Anthony. Stay with it. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job.
Good kick, bud.
Goal kick. Goal kick. Lucky you're mid. Anthony, right outside the box.
Amelia, where are you going?
Good job, good job. Hey, guys, get it.
You ate too
Yeah, good
fast
hustle,
already,
guys. Good
man.
hustle. Find a guy and stay with him.
Well done.
Outside the box, right on the line.
Blue.
Out here.
Good sack. Good sack.
Quick throw, quick throw, quick throw. Quick throw.
This is the last one, Leo.
Get back.
Here.
Good try.
Yeah, Lane.
Drop back, bud. Drop back.
Lucky cross the goal. Lucky the goal.
Lock him up, but.
Lucky, come to midfield. Come on, Lucky.
Good job, Lucky.
Justin.
Go, Sam, go.
Amelia, come here.
Hurry, good ball.
Stay between that man and the goal, Anthony. Between him and the goal.
Turn to go, go.
Lucky, your man's up here.
Go,
Go, Lane. You got Bryce on the right. You got Bryce on the right.
No, Lincoln.
Get your ball. Zach, take the kick. Do it up, push up, Lucky, push up. Good, Zach, Lucky.
That's it, lad. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That boy, Brian. Mark him up, guys, mark him up. Good job, brother. Good, Vlad, good.
Beautiful kick, Vlad.
That's a good kick, Vlad. Get ready.
Get over the front.
A little toes, buddy. You're playing a little slow right now.
You are playing real slow. Pick it up.
Diego, push up.
Ready to move.
Hey, Joe, put that rod down.
Go, Brian!
Sometimes we try to show him how bad they are. Hey, Joe, leave those rocks alone, please. No, Papi, give her her ball back.
Lucky, go, Lucky,
Okay,
go.
give her her ball back.
Middle, Diego. Nice.
Yeah, Papi, throw it away.
Good, Billy, good.
She's over by that goal. I think she has purple shirt. I don't have the ball.
Come on. Boom! That is your player. Justin, take a knee. Justin, take a knee. Take a knee. He's a trooper, man. He's trying to walk it off.
But I didn't go to Daddy. Kitty, you know why he wasn't there? I went to Jasper's soccer game. Took his shoe off.
Leo, what are you doing, Leo?
Ready, go, go!
That's it.
It's over. Use the 5.
Good play, Nolan.
Good job, Owen. Good muscles, buddy.
Zach, there's a new striker coming in. Keep an eye on him.
Stay with it, bud.
Stay on, guys. Stay up to it, Owen.
Get in there. Go play soccer ball with your brother. Go. Stay right here. You gotta give them their ball back, Papi. That's their ball.
Let me go for it.
Yes, that's not our ball.
Never mind, I didn't even know that.
Go play over there where they can see you with the ball too. Go. Go. Go.
You got an actual for the regular doctor? Human? Yeah. Try to make sure I didn't. He's at the hospital.
All right, please set your attention, Anthony. On your on.
I told him I was to be there for someone else. I actually have a
Chase, jump out a little bit. Chase, back before you go. Back this way. Center.
That's you. That's you.
Julian.
Stay with him, Lincoln. Stay on him.
Lincoln. Nice, Link. Go, Bryce.
Diego.
Yes, good ball. Go, Diego.
Get rid of it.
I'm a doggy best up.
Get up.
Good boy. Grace, over here. Diego, move it. Diego. Diego. Yes.
Nice pass. Nice pass.
Right back to him.
Good defense. Owen, get there. Get there. Yes, Owen. Go. Look at Bryce.
Come on, guys. He is lucky.
Go, Chase. Go, Chase.
Good job. Keep going. Keep going.
Good job, Lucas! No, Anthony, outside. Now turn it up, pass it up. Lucky, good.
That's not your ball.
Go.
Don't stop, guys. Don't stop.
Yes. Okay, that's not your ball. I'll buy your ball tomorrow.
Watch them be 8. Watch them be 8 in front of them.
Go, Julian, go.
Stay with him, Lincoln. Hey, good job!
Bryce, get in there.
That out. Lincoln, go. Lucky, go with him.
Nice, Link. Go, Lucky.
Back there, Rodney. Back there, Rodney.
Nice, Bryce.
Great pass, boy.
Guys, give him somebody to kick to, guys. Good job, Lincoln. Good job, Lincoln. Go, Julian. Man on.
Arriba, mira para arriba.
Pass it.
Go, Julian, go.
Nice. Go, Julian.
Stay with it, Zach. Yes, Zach.
Nice.
Stay with it, Zach. Zach. Here's Lucky.
Smells good to me. It smells like camper, right?
Stay with it, boys. Good chip, Bryce. Stand. Lucky, go up the line. Lucky up the line. Give him a pass. That's it. Good. That's good, Bryce. Lucky, go up the line. Lucky, up the line. Oh, wait, come on, get us up. Get us up.
Okay, bye, bye. See you later.
Go up the line. Lucky, push up the line. Diego, turn it now. Lucky, run, Bryce, run. Get in there. Diego, stay with it.
Go, Bryce.
Lucky, push.
Go, nice. Go with it.
Lucky, get the goal.
Nice pass.
Go, yeah!
Okay.
Oh, yeah!
Nice run,
I'm no longer okay, you get
Go, Lane.
pass!
Mark them up, guys. Mark them up. Find the guys. Turn it. Get it up there. Go. Stay with it, guys. Go. Keegan.
There you go. Good.
Pass it. Keep going. Pass it.
Yes! Get up! Come on.
Shoot it. Come on, Julian.
She's been able to avoid the sickness.
Yes, Anthony!
Come here.
Between him and the goal.
Want to play a
Don't
football
touch
game?
that, Poppy. That's not yours.
But we started football. You
Get it,
must
Ladder, get it.
run.
Shoot it.
Touch. Down. Okay, tag. No. No. Go.
Bryce, on your left!
We have to tackle.
Bravo.
Keep going, son. Keep going. He's not offside. No. I don't know where they can go. They're not outside your zone. I don't know where
Come on, Luke, get it out! Yes!
Pass it!
Yes, we'll go get water first.
That's funny, Bridget.
Vladimir, what are you doing?
I'm not the bad guy anymore. That's why. I'm the good guy now. Hey guys, look how you get. Hey!
Brought a folding chair
Wait,
for
I just beat it. Come on.
Good try, good try.
Mommy!
Leo, let me change your diaper. Come, let me see if I need to change your diaper. You want to come in? Hey. Brenda, I'm going to stick up and find you again.
Wait, over there. Don't take me back. I want to go that way. I want to go that way now. Hey, should I bring your
Hey, Drew!
Don't go backwards, go towards the ball. Watch, they're fast out here on this side. Watch. Come on, buddy, run it up.
Go, go!
Get open, buddy.
Let me see, did you hit you?
Drop it on her laces and pick it up.
Hey, Josh!
She can start learning some of that.
In the middle!
I never would have expected her to do that.
Yeah, Lucas, get him.
Did you know that really police can't fly in at all bugs fly? You don't see a ladybug fly. That's what I did. I got a whole swarm of them.
Hey, Drew!